Hey everyone, my name is Wahid and I worked with Brian to create this project called AI Hub, and let's jump into it. Let's see what it is. So as we see, when I first load in, you can see this loading screen, which thank you to Brian for making. He designed the loading screen and the little spinny thingy for me. Okay, so once we're first in here, you can see the title, AI Hub, and then in the hub you can see many different sections. You have your phone number generator, your number generator, AI dice roller, AI tic-tac-toe, etc. And I think we should start with the simpler one first, and we can slowly move on to the more complex ones, and I'll explain each and every one of these one by one as we keep going. Going into the phone number generator, you got your loading screen right here, and there you go, we got pushed in here. So this is the AI Hub's phone generator, and you're able to select countries. You have 3 countries: United States, Canada, and India, because we didn't want the code to get too long here, so we kept it a little bit short. Let's start with Canada first. I know there's many people watching from the United States and Canada and India, probably from all over the world, but let's start with Canada. And you have a few cities: Ontario, Quebec, and British Columbia. And let's stick with Ontario for now on, and let's generate a phone number. Okay, so it's generating, and you have your area code right here, and then you have a random phone number. And the thing about these phone numbers is that you can't repeat them, so we can go again, and then we get the same area code, but we get a different phone number. And we can move on to the United States here. Just do New York, because that's where I'm from. Let's generate a phone number. You have your New York's area code, and then you have a phone number for yourself. Back to the AI Hub, and let's see what else we have. Okay, as we're traveling back, we'll get the loading screen once again. Alright, let's move on to the number generator. This one, I would say it was the same amount of difficulty for the phone number generator. It wasn't, much more any more complex than the last one. Here you get 2 boxes. You have to enter your minimum number or your maximum number. You got your little arrows here in case you want to do some slight modifications. Let's start with 100, and let's go all the way up to 10,000, right? 1, 2, 3. Alright, and let's generate a random number. Let's see what we get. Just get a little loading screen. This one isn't as long as the last one because it's not too hard to just generate a number, especially on JavaScript. Yeah, let's go back to the main, and let's see what else we have. Okay, let's go into the dice roller. So we know that dice have 6 sides, and each side adds up all the way to 6. And here you get a prompt to enter the number of dice. And let's say we want 2 dice, because many games do include 2 dice. And let's roll the dice. And you got a different animation this time because we're rolling dice. Kind of corny, but you got 2 and 3, and we can go all the way up to 5, and we can roll the dice again, and we get 5 different digits, all ranging from 1 to 6. Not too hard, not too much difficulty in making this, and it can be useful at times. Alright, getting into something a little bit more complex, which did take a little bit more time for us to make, was the AI tic-tac-toe. And as we load in, you got your 3x3 tic-tac-toe board, and we're set on easy difficulty, and let's just play it. Let's see how it is. So here the robot is going to be the O, and you're going to be the X. And as we play, we can see that the AI, not making the best decisions here. We can obviously see that it's really easy to win. You're not trying to defend anyway. But let's put the difficulty just a little bit up. Let's see how it is. As we put the difficulty up, we can see that the AI knows how to block you now. There's times where the AI knows how to win. There's times the AI knows how to keep you off from winning. But once again, the AI isn't super duper smart, and you can see that you're able to win. But as we move on to the hard difficulty, you can see now that the AI knows how to fully play, almost like you're playing against a person. There's my first tie. Even strategies like the corner method don't work on the AI. It's just much smarter, and it's really hard to actually win against this one. As you can see, I'm actually trying here, and yeah, it's not looking the best for me. Alright, let's just go back to the hub. I wouldn't want to end this on a loss. Come on.
We're back to the hub, and we have the AI weather app. Let's move on to the AI weather app.
Um, let's click onto it. Let's see what it looks like. All right, we have, okay, here it is opened, and this one was actually a little bit complex. What we did, we got a CSV file and contained all of New York City's weather. This one only does for New York City. I'm sorry for everybody else in the rest of the world. But yeah, this one is for New York City specifically, and what we did, we collected all the samples from the weather for the month of, and well, end of July all the way to the month of August, up until August 9th. And with that information, you're able to actually predict what the weather is going to be like for the, tomorrow all the way up to a month. And since this is made in Python and it is just a small data set that we're working with, it's going to be very hard for the AI to get on this, like, on the right date. As you can see, if we input 1, which is like tomorrow, and we run that, it says 81, which, yeah, it's not. But as we put the dates higher, so like let's do 7 days ahead, we can see that we get a little bit lower. We get 81.58, which actually is around, if you do the math, it's very close around there actually. And let's do like 30. Let's do 30. Let's see what that's like. We got 81.34, so we can actually predict for the month of August. We can say that we have around an 81 to an 80 degree, like an understanding of how hot August would be. Okay, something small, something really useful. Let's go back to the AI Hub. Okay, as we come back, let's see what else. Okay, and last but not least, the AI spam detector. Okay. Let's go in here. Alright, the AI spam detector. What this does is that it actually uses the natural language processing for Python, and it detects specific words which can be detected as spam, and it looks for words that can be used to like actually not detect for spam. And let's just do a trial for you right here. Here we have my email for my registration for the Global Hack Week, which is this actual event. And let's just copy this and let's paste it in here. Let's see what it looks like. Let's detect spam. Let's see if it's, oh, no spam detected. So we can see that this one actually is a real email. But let's go to this fake email which I've sent myself, and let's just copy this, right? And let's paste it in here. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what happens. And we can see that spam was detected, and the way that it was detected, you can see there's things that you wouldn't believe. $1,000 gift card. I mean, when is the last time you've seen a $1,000 gift card? Now, come on. And you can see here the once in a lifetime chance to win big, just making it sound like all like a dream. And the NLP system was able to actually read off of this and understand that this was a fake email. And yeah, I want to wrap it up by saying we had a lot of fun on this project. It wasn't like a project that took us almost, a full week to make. It didn't take that long for us to make this project, but we liked the time that we had. We put hours into this project, and yeah, overall it was a great experience, and I hope to participate in these hackathons more. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy what I've made.